Holy crap, that hurt my
The
ears.
National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Alpharetta, Oregon, 12 miles southwest of Cumming, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Milton, Brookwood, and Birmingham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 10 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly cloudy.
Okay.